It was the first storm of the winter in Lebanon. Named Alexa, it was neither wanted nor welcomed by thousands of Syrian refugees living here in the Bekaa Valley. The shelter they had found from the conflict at home barely provided cover from nature's elements. Over 100,000 refugees live in the makeshift tents across this area. And in less than 24 hours, enough snow fell to put many of these shelters in jeopardy. And more is coming. Up to 14 centimeters of snow are expected in the coming days. Mohsen El-Barij, his wife and 6 children fled violence in Homs 2 years ago, when it became unsafe for the family. They have since been living in the Bekaa Valley.
صعب شيء عندنا بس موقع الأرض، هاي الأرض وحل يعني ما طين، ما فيها لا بحص أو زفت أو شيء برد عنا شوي، المي بكرة بتفوت لعنا لجوا على الخيمة. هاي أصعب شيء شغلة نلاقيها.
For people living in tents, it's hard to stay warm and dry. Those who have heaters huddle for warmth. After the snow eased off, some people set about reinforcing their tents, anticipating more snow. Others repaired the damage done. Majid and his family members woke up to a flooded tent.
هاي عندنا مثل هالباب هلا هون صارت تفوت المي لعنا لجوا. صرت بهذا برندة شوي بس انه تدفش المي لبرا عنا عن الباب لحتى ما تفوت لجوا. هي الأواعي مي وتصير مي بزيادة.
Cold weather is not unexpected in this part of Lebanon, but this storm was deemed one of the worst in years, not just in Lebanon but also in neighboring countries. Aid agencies, including UNHCR, are distributing heaters, thermal blankets and warm clothes in worst-hit areas.
So as you can see, the conditions are very harsh. The winter is very harsh. We're particularly worried about people living in substandard accommodation, such as collective shelters and informal settlements. We see now that because of the storm, for instance, a lot of tents are damaged, leaking, etc.
This family's tent collapsed over them from the weight of the snow piling above. They found refuge amongst neighbors, the roof that once protected them now being used as heating fuel. The winter has made these refugees more vulnerable than before and more in need of aid than ever.